Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you exactly how to make your videos profile private on your PC in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video. So if you want to protect your info and control who sees what, just stick around. So first of all, open facebook.com and log into your account and click your profile picture in the top right corner, and then click setting and privacy and choose setting. This is where you control your privacy. Just click this one. Let's say we are going to do our profile. First of all, this is not our profile, so this is our profile. So from that place I'll click over here, then I'll go to the setting and privacy, then I'll choose the setting, and then where I will get to control of my privacy. So on the left side bar you just need to click on privacy. Under your activity, find who can see your further posts. Just click this one, and then here you can see who can see what you share. Just click this one, and from that place just click continue, and from that place you can make it only me or public or only your friends. So next, review who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Again, set it only me. Like here you can see who can see your friend list. Just go over here and then make it only me. Just click to the save, and similarly you can do everything with this one. Then click to the next, and then here you can see who can see your further future post. Just click on and only me. Then you can see who can see your stories, friends. You can make it only me. Also you can make it custom as if you want. Just click to the done, save. Then who can see the past post, then who can see your reels, you can make it friends. Then similarly click to the next, and here you can see who can see post you take on friends of friends, or you can make it only me. Then just click to the save. Scroll down to how people find you, contact you. Here you can control who can send you friend requests, see your friend list, or look you up by email or phone. Set this to friends or only me for maximum privacy. Then you just need to go to the next, and here you can see blocking. You can see this one. Just click to the next, and all is done. Review another topic. So here who can find you on Facebook, just click this one and click again, and who can send you friend request, you can make it only me or friends of friends. Then you can select next, and here you can see search your profile, people with your email address connected, you can know one. Then click to the save and just click the next. Do you want to? No, I don't want. Just click to the next, and it's already been done. To hide older posts, scroll your activity and click limited past post. This change all your past post public post to friends only in that one click. Super handy if you have old post you don't want strangers to see. So if in some cases or in some regions Facebook has a profile lock feature, if it is available for you, go to the profile, click the three dots like here. You just need to go to the profile, come to the profile, and here you just need to be click this one, and from that place you just need to be lock your profile. Just click this one, lock profile, and just eventually click this one, and this restricts your photo post and restricts to friends only, people you are not friends with won't see at all. So finally go to your profile and check the three dots next to edit profile, select view as. This shows what your profile looks like to the public. If you see anything you want hidden, adjust it, just leave like this one, and now eventually you will able to see your profile. Okay, now you can see this will be hidden for you. If I click over that place and just click on view as unknown, now you can see it already been done. So that's it, your Facebook profile is now private on PC in 2025. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.